So first of all, thank you. And why am I saying this? It's because I thank you for believing in yourself to subscribe for this course called Close More Deals. And if you are struggling with sales because one, you think you need to run an awesome Facebook ad, or you think you need to have that sexy, irresistible, ethical bribe, or you think that you need to have these latest unconventional techniques to close sales, you need to know how to handle objections because there's so many kind of objections on the planet. All I'm saying to you is that, hey, let's remove all this away, because if I were to just share with you a couple of things, one, you don't need another technique because all what you have been doing actually work. You just need to fine tune it. You need to realize that sales is just a conversation. You need to realize that you don't need additional skill sets. You need to know how to deal with the prospects, to address what they want. You need to know how to have continuing conversation. You also want to make sure that you have follow-up systems. And you know what? That's all what sales is about. Now, I'm not here teaching you any new things. If you are thinking of, okay, this is another Brian Tracy, John DeMartini, or Zig Ziglar's course, for that reason, I think this course is not for you, because I'm not teaching you something that I learned from them. I'm teaching you something that works for me. And at the end of the day, what I want to share with you is my experience of doing sales for more than 2 decades. And I would like to share this and pass my experience to you. Now, there's one thing that if you have been following my work, you know that I do not believe learning by learning, because you can actually learn from another person. In sales, if you choose to do nothing, you have no experience, you actually have not learned anything. Because experience is not the best teacher, experience is the only teacher, says my teacher Alex Mandossian. So when you have consumed a module in the course, I would love that, number one, implement the idea and experience yourself the results that you get. It's either a win or no, it's not lose or loss, it's actually a learning experience. Okay? And number two is to share the experience with the members, your brothers and sisters in this community, because I believe also that sharing is not just about giving out. You want exchange, right? So sharing is actually about caring and nurturing, because you will get feedback or questions from your brothers and sisters in the community. And that's the way to learn and grow. Okay, so let's gather in this community. The idea is to help us become better versions of ourselves, become better closers, or if you want to call it salesperson, that's fine. And most importantly, share with me what you have learned from this course, because I would love to learn more about you. Okay, so stay in the community, enjoy the course, and once again, thank you for subscribing to Close More Deals. You're awesome. Cheers.